morning. Wow.
Well done.
I did that. You guys, I'm so happy. Look at that.
Give us water.
Look at that. Sorry. Oops.
I say, body for this one, oh, ain't nobody but that. I wanna wait for nobody.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Pepperrr, and returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you. So guys, I look kind of crazy right now, but anyways, on today's video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Okay, so on today's video I'm going to be cooking. The meal I'm going to be cooking is my favorite food. I'm going to be cooking Eban seafood okro. And also, let me let you guys know, those who know me know how much I hate to be in the kitchen. I hate cooking, guys, and trust me, every single person that knows how much I hate cooking will be surprised by the time they get to see this video, because I'll actually be doing something I really dislike to do. But yeah, I just kind of like wanted a change in my content, and I decided to, you know, kind of do a cooking video for you guys. And by the way, this video is not a tutorial because I don't really know how to cook. Not like I have like a cookbook or recipe or something, do you guys get? But most times when I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking, I kind of like just finesse my way through whatever I'm doing, and it just always ends up right. And also, I actually don't know how to cook, guys, but there's like a few list of things that I know how to cook so well, and on that list is Eban okro. So basically, you guys are going to be watching me cook Eban okro on this video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you'd like to see, just in case you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more cooking videos from me. And yeah, sorry for the background noise, my sister has refused to put off the TV for me to film my intro. But right now I'm going to show you guys the ingredients and also just go ahead with the video. Yeah, subscribe guys, give this video a big thumbs up.
Give us. Let us taste. Ooh, yummy.
So guys, I'm getting my sister's reaction. Duh.
I was expecting something that will actually make me go. Exactly.
You guys have been insulting me since morning. Wow. You guys.
Well done.
I did that. You guys, I'm so happy. Look at that.
Give us water.
Look at that. Sorry.